Today at Aquatica, we reached a very exciting new milestone. We lifted the giant sphere into place nearly 54 feet in the air. This sphere weighs 12,000 pounds and is 22 feet in diameter and makes it one of the most unique elements of Ray Rush. Riders are going to slide along the interior walls of this giant sphere before transitioning to the next portion of the slide. What really makes Ray Rush unique are these 3-in-1 elements that combine into one ride experience. And the first element is really a master blaster feature that'll give that sudden feeling of acceleration as riders leave the start of the tower, and then they'll transition down the slide into this giant sphere, and the riders will twist and turn along the interior walls of this sphere before they transition into the next section of slide and leading towards the third unique element, which is a manta-shaped open-air half pipe. And riders will soar up and down the sides of this half pipe before transitioning into the final part of the slide, which has some other unique and exciting elements before they reach the splash pool below.